Stop it!
Stop it! Oh, no!
Quiet in my court.
Quiet in my court! Oh, no.
That's enough.
That's enough!
Oh, I can't breathe.
Order. Order in this court. Be quiet.
Quiet!
Oh, no.
Oh my God! Stop! I can't breathe!
Who put tiny sunglasses on my legal books?
Coolest case files in town.
I can't even function.
Who's behind the missing case files?
Evidence for a comedy show.
Oh, man. I can't even write a report.
I never misplace, only misdirect.
Hey, return those.
Nope. Too tasty. Oh, my goodness.
I said return them.
Crunchy justice.
I can't breathe.
Eating the evidence. Case.
Who put whipped cream on the gavel?
Judicial dessert, very official.
Oh, no! We surrendered to the bird!
Taste tested, excellent texture.
You gotta be kidding me.
Stop. Those are official.
Officially mine.
Oh, no way!
I can't.
Building a nest! I'm gonna cry.
Tell us what you know.
Mom has a secret stash of chips behind the cereal.
Bird, stop talking! Ma'am, this is hilarious. Continue, Bird.
Sour cream and onion, whole bag, crunchy.
With tiny umbrellas on every car roof.
Weatherproof traffic complete.
Tiny umbrellas on every car roof. Complete.
Who put tiny toy cars on the highway lanes?
Mini traffic experiment.
Oh no! This traffic is ruined.
Mini traffic
Who tied balloons to every street sign?
Celebration traffic mode.
I can't even drive! Oh my!
Who put toy cars on every lane?
Mini traffic trial in progress.
I can't even.
Who put water balloons on every speed bump? Traffic is ruined. Who painted crosswalks with candy patterns?
Sweet pedestrian safety insured.
This is madness.
Checking for brains. Slim pickings.
Oh my!
No way!
Those are important case files.
Fort Knox, but fluffier.
3 women burst out laughing uncontrollably.
Hey, my tie!
Fits me better.
This is a courtroom, not a runway.
Strut.
Cowabunga!
Stop drumming on my gavel.
Drop the beat, Your Honor.
Too good.
Oh, wow!
Stop this at once. Cowabunga, Your Honor. Oh my. She's surfing the bench.
Oh, I'm gone.
Someone grab that bird. Quiet.
Echo! Oh my!
Stop. Oh, stop. Order in the court.
Stop poking me!
Just checking if there's anything in there.
No! That is too funny! Can't breathe! You are out of line!
Your forehead started it.
Parrot, what's in Mom's pocket?
Candy she pretends she doesn't eat.
Traitor.
Ma'am, that's damning evidence.
Parrot, what's in Mom's pocket?
Candy she pretends she doesn't eat.
Traitor.
Ma'am, that's damning evidence.
Did you hear anything suspicious last night?
Yes. Uncle burped so loud the cat moved out.
That was one time!
Sir, we need to document that.
Oh, great. The man who steals boxes and leaves more boxes.
Bro, I'm just working. You guys mind signing?
Who ate all the cupcakes from the evidence table?
Detective Sweet Tooth strikes again!
I knew we should have locked the break room.
And I saw everything! Crumbs everywhere!
Who kept ringing the doorbell?
Cousin, practicing for prank videos.
Stop it!
Neighborhood under siege. Bird witnesses everything. No escape.
Who left feathers on the judge's bench?
Selfie time! Oh no, I'm dying!
Birds are officially smarter than us.
And cuter. Always cuter.
Who rearranged all the courtroom chairs?
For optimal flight paths. I can't even take this seriously.
Witness. Me. Verdict. Hilarious.
Who hid the handcuffs in the snack cupboard?
Undercover snack mission.
Look at the bird. I can't. I surrender to the bird.
Who put all the
Reverse
stop signs
engineering
upside
traffic.
down? I can't even look at the street. Arachnid witness test done.
Oh my gosh.
She actually can't breathe.
I can't handle this. Give them back.
Can't hear you. These are fashion glasses.
Fashion glasses?
Where does he learn this? They're prescription.
You're welcome.
Out of my seat!
Finders keepers.
No way. He stole his chair.
Give him a tiny robe.
Honorary judge.
This is not funny.
Hilarious.
I can't breathe. Look at him.
I give up.
Move.
No.
He
said it like a human. He's the boss now.
You're impossible.
Professional level.
Place. Show us how the thief moved.
He walked like Uncle Joe after 3 coffees. Hey!
Oh no!
Oh my God!
Someone keeps opening the fridge at night. Who is it?
Dad. He treats the fridge like Netflix. Opens it every 5 minutes.
Why would you say that?
Oh no!
Netflix!
Who stole the last chocolate bar?
Dad. He ate in the bathroom so no one would see.
Bro, how do you know?
Oh man, bathroom snack crimes. Classy. He left evidence on his shirt. Amateur.
Who put a whoopee cushion on the judge's chair?
Sound effect approved. Can't refrain from laughter.
I'm serious. Who did it?
Flatulence verdict. Guilty of hilarity.
Why is the microphone squeaking like a pig?
Ticket justice delivered.
Oh no.
Squeak, squeak. Stop. My stomach. Ticket justice delivered.
Owner, who broke this vase?
Dad, he tripped over his own ego.
Oh no.
Maya, breathe. You stay out of this, bird. Pretty sure I was in it first.
Who changed the Wi-Fi password?
Brother did. Held the whole house hostage.
It was for peace and quiet.
He negotiated snacks for access, didn't he? He asked for chips and soda. Terrible.
Who put ketchup on the judge's gavel?
Evidence tasty.
Oh no. I can't even.
Order extra fries. Why is my robe covered in glitter?
Fashion upgrade for justice.
Look at the sparkle. Your Honor, it's glorious. This courtroom, sparkle chaos.
Why are my papers covered in glitter?
Sparkly evidence makes law shine.
Oh no! I can't stop.
Who put glitter in all the files?
Sparkly evidence. Very official.
Oh no! I can't.
Oh my
No,
God.
it's everywhere. I'm trying to breathe.
Who filled the courtroom with balloons?
Inflatable justice incoming.
This is insane.
I can't breathe.
Unbelievable.
Who put a banana in my gavel?
Healthy justice.
Oh.
I can't even.
Who put traffic cones on top of every parked car?
Roof inspection complete.
Oh man. I can't even.
Who tied tiny flags to every side mirror?
Road parade ready.
Oh my gosh, look at him. He's serious.
The street.
Who swapped the stop signs with dancing emojis?
Emoji enforcement activated.
Oh man. I can't breathe.
Can't even manage
I demand respect and sunflower seeds.
Oh my.
Order.
Oh, that's too good.
Give him some seeds, someone.
Gavel, I can't breathe.
All right, all right. Let's try to regain some composure.
Your Honor, I request a nap break immediately. Soft murmurs, fading laughter.
This cop stole my snacks.
Oh.
Oh, that's too good.
Parrot, do you promise to tell the truth?
Do you? Your breath smells like regret.
Hey.
Oh no.
Court is adjourned.
I can't breathe.
State your defense.
My client is too dumb to be guilty.
Ha! He's not wrong.
Case closed. Give me sunflower seeds.
Approved.
What New evidence, the bird is broken.
Order in the court!
Someone get this witness a tune-up.
Parrot, what do I say?
Just blame the squirrel. Always the squirrel.
We don't even have a squirrel.
New rule. No animal lawyers.
Parrot, what will the verdict be?
Guilty of being goofy. He roasted the whole court.
Verdict accepted.
Why are you looking at me?
Because you're hiding chips in your pocket.
How did he know?
He exposed you instantly. Give him one chip. Ugh, fine.
Thank you.
Who's in charge here?
Me, obviously.
I hate how confident he is.
He fired me last week.
What?
All right, listen up. Cop 1, close the door. Cop 2, get me another bowl, no shells. Cop 3, breathe before you pass out.
Yes, sir.
Meeting adjourned.
Why are you walking like that?
I'm your new attorney. And, Judge, you're losing this case, buddy.
Oh my God, he just demoted the judge!
This is unacceptable. Overruled. Fuck. he just ruled on him.
Oh, wow.
I can't believe
Court's
this.
incompetent wings.
State your name.
The worst nightmare.
I can't.
Take him out!
You're not helping this trial.
Exactly.
Hey, those are official documents.
Not anymore.
Ha! He's destroying the evidence.
Oh, no.
Stop that.
Objection denied.
Oh, I can't. Airborne. He's airborne.
Come back here, you feathered felon.
Okay, first question.
Yes, it was me.
We didn't ask yet. Drama bird. He's raising his wing. Oh my gosh.
Stop it, you're killing me.
Put that down.
Tasty. Tastes like stress.
That is coffee.
He's brutal.
That was expensive coffee.
Now it's mine.
Somebody help the judge. I request snack break.
Oh, man.
I'm crying over here.
Oh, forget it.
Did you just say snack break?
Court's recessed. Everyone grab a granola bar.
Whoa!
Order? Oh, come on.
Really? You had to do that?
All right. Settle down, people.
Objection. That cop smells like donuts. Oh.
Oh, heavens. Mercy.
It's just a snack, Your Honor.
I almost dropped my gavel.
Somebody get that bird a law degree.
Are you threatening us?
Yes, I will poop on your paperwork.
Oh, no! He's done it before.
Not the paperwork.
What happens next, oh wise bird?
You fall off your chair.
I'm not.
He called it.
Prophecy fulfilled.
All right, you're smug. I get it.
Don't touch that.
Don't touch that!
He turned the mic into a remix.
Stop embarrassing
Too
me.
late.
Correct. It's correct.
Oh, for the love of...
That was my lunch.
Not anymore.
This bird is savage.
Drop the sandwich.
Make me.
Oh, for the love of...
Crunching.
Give those back.
I look better in them.
He's right though. Look at him.
Take them off.
Contempt of court.
Contempt of court. Oh wow! Look at him.
I can't...
Perfect.
Stop mocking my cough.
No, stop. Oh no.
This bird is a menace.
You're embarrassing me.
I learned from you.
Those are top secret.
Not anymore.
Oh no. He declassified everything. Give me those.
Denied.
I'm gonna pass out. My court is in ruins.
Why would you do that?
Gravity experiment.
Science! He's a genius. Pick it up!
You dropped it.
Metallic pen clatters on floor.
I can't.
Officers laughing and wheezing. Unbelievable.
Hey, stop that! Just checking if the thief stole your brain too.
Oh, no. Someone stop this bird.
Not me. I'm the smartest one here.
Who took the missing wallet?
Him. He buys snacks at night.
That is not the point.
Sir, is this true?
He's guilty and hungry. You all think this is funny?
Parrot, did you see the theft?
Yes. Your diet stole the cookies.
Oh my god.
This bird has no filter. Neither does your Wi-Fi.
No way.
That is the rudest bird I've ever.
I saw everything. He forgot his own name. Oh, mercy. He forgot his own name.
Oh, I can't. Okay.
Case closed.
Objection! Your face is too serious.
Oh, heavens.
Still laughing, Judge?
I can't.
I demand a new law. More treats for birds.
Oh, that's incredible.
Order in the court.
Give that bird a cookie.
Can't see, I'm crying over here. I haven't laughed like this in years.
Confession time! Who ate my cookies?
Oh, look at him. He means it.
I can't even.
Do you have an attorney?
Yes. A bald eagle. He's busy.
He doesn't think small.
Oh man, I can't. That is. Wow.
Why are you staring at me like that?
Trying to understand your haircut and failing.
No way, he did not just say that.
Did.
Somebody give him some water. He's spitting facts.
Oh, Lord. This bird's gonna get us all written up.
Where do you think you're going?
To a place where snacks are respected.
Take me with you.
Ha! You're crazy. Oh, no. He's actually going.
Oh, man. My goodness.
Respect the snacks, man.
Hey, that's my gavel.
He promoted
Put that down immediately.
Denied.
Order.
Court is now in chaos.
What do we even charge him with?
Insanity. Mine. Court adjourned.
Stop mirroring me. Stop mirroring me.
Oh my-
I said stop.
I just stop.
Oh no, this is harassment.
This is harassment.
No, stop.
I can't breathe.
Make it.
Someone get control of that bird.
Oh my.
Testing my patience.
You're testing my patience.
Bro, he roasted you with your own voice.
Me. You're testing my patience.
Hey, stop hitting my water.
It looked thirsty.
What's the water? This bird is unhinged. You're unhinged.
Takes one to know one.
Get off my gavel.
I'm practicing for your job.
He wants to be the judge now.
He'd do better.
Order an HIS court. This is ridiculous. You said it.
Get off my head.
I upgraded your hairstyle.
I get a new look. He's a stylist now.
This is humiliation.
You're welcome. I get a new look.
Order in the court. And some pizza, too. Oh, you gotta be kidding. Oh, no.
Admit it, officer. You can't even catch a snail.
Mercy. Oh, this bird's got you pegged, son.
Case closed. I ate the evidence.
Oh, my God.
My snacks were... They were right here. Sunflower seeds, a granola bar.
Your Honor,
Oh, I'm trying. Oh, Lord.
It's gone. Empty wrapper.
All right, gavel, please.
Guilty of bad haircut.
What?
Oh, come on.
All right, court.
You serious, Bird?
Very serious.
I can't allow it. I demand a lawyer, a bird lawyer.
Oh, wow.
Clipboard!
Order, if I can call it that.
Sir, we're gonna get you representation. Stop mocking me. Stop mocking me.
Whoa!
Laughs and laughter off screen.
He sounds more like you than you do.
Unbelievable.
Why are you laughing?
Because whatever you're about to ask is gonna be dumb.
He's too honest. He roasted you before the question.
Do not touch that.
Touch. He did it on purpose.
Put that down.
Calm down, Grandpa Gavel.
Oh, for the love of... Get off my book!
I'm studying. Quiet.
He's smarter than all of us.
Ha! Let him pass the bar exam!
He can't read!
Better than you.
Hey, that's my notebook!
Fixing your handwriting?
My handwriting is fine.
That's the problem.
Oh my goodness, can't breathe.
Stop! What's wrong with my handwriting?
It can be read. Terrible for mystery.
You're too close.
Personal space?
Never heard of it.
He's in his face! Back up. Make me.
This is better than TV.
This is unacceptable!
Stylish, if you were a clown.
Excuse me? Oh, no way.
Oh, I can't.
Look at him. You killed him, Judge.
Order or